Hey team, Chef Eric Gephart here at Kamado Joe, hanging out with my good friends at allthingsbbq.com. Today I want to talk to you about managing your temperatures in your Kamado Joe. Let's get in the action. So not a lot of moving parts on a Kamado Joe, but there are a couple pieces and parts that are pivotal to driving to a temperature and to stabilizing. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at some of those items. First thing I want to take a look at is that draft door. Notice it slides from left to right, and I want you to think about this as your large temperature changes. So whenever you're cooking with Kamado style grills, Kamado Joes, you want to approach a temperature. Let's say we're gunning for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As we hit that 350, we'll slowly but surely start to damper down that draft door. So these grills work like heat pumps. They suck in ambient air, create convection, and kick out hotter air, and that will raise the temperature. So as we cut off the oxygen flow, we begin to stabilize. Again, this draft door is for the large temperature changes. Always open when we're starting the grill, and as we're approaching that temperature, begin to damper it down. This works in conjunction with the control tower. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Notice your control tower has several different moving parts, right? We're able to dial in small temperature changes here when we're wanting to start the grill. We can also swivel it all the way open. Now that's going to allow for maximum airflow, so you can imagine if you had your draft door open, the temperature is going to raise. As we're approaching those temperatures, we're going to start slowly dampering down, and we're going to be able to stabilize at our target temperature. So when you're thinking about managing temperatures, know that this ceramic does a great job of holding on to that heat and energy. What it doesn't do well is drop in temperature. So I've mentioned it a couple times before. You're going to ramp up and go towards a temperature, then begin to use the draft door control tower to start stabilizing right where you need to be. Don't go for 450 degrees, and once you reach 450, begin to react, okay? So let's have a plan, let's know where we're going, and let's get there. One other thing I'll mention is don't use too much charcoal. I see it online all the time, people just chock full, getting their fire baskets chock full of way too much charcoal. That's gonna inhibit your airflow, make it harder to start, and if you've got too much charcoal in there once you are lit, you've got more of the ability to run away with temperature. So I like to bank my coal. I like to make sure that I've got good airflow by being able to see the tines or holes in a fire grate. And this is just a great way to come to temperature slowly and make sure you're attaining the temperature that you want to attain. Managing temperatures doesn't have to be difficult, but it sure is important. I hope these tips and techniques help you out through your cooks. Cheers.